This vacuum is so easy to use. On the back here, the cord, you just wrap it around and it's super easy. You can flip it down and take the cord off to plug it in. It's got a really nice long cord, which is helpful to be able to get your whole house cleaned. This vacuum also has a release, so you can release here and take off the stick, or use the stick with the attachments, which makes cleaning different spaces and different floor types really, really easy. Here is on the on switch here. Super easy to take off the canister, and the same button releases the bottom so that you can clear it out when it gets full. There are a couple different settings here down at the bottom. So depending on your floor type, you can switch. So for hard floors, some low pile rugs, and then carpet, you can use this one here. Super easy to clean. It does a great job with dog hair. We have 3 dogs, and it has been a lifesaver.